Welcome to Learning Hub 2.0, your friend in lab coat and your educational consultant. I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT advanced features as a student, as a writer, as a scholar. The most advanced features of ChatGPT that many people don't know about that. In this video, I will show you how you can use and assess that features and get the desired results. First of all, click on your account of ChatGPT and here open, and after opening your account, and there are a lot of settings, you have to go on the setting of personalization. There the option of custom instructions which you will give to your chat gpt to give you answer according to you. First of all, you have to tell chat gpt about your name. For example, name is learning hub, and then ChatGPT will ask what do you do. For example, you are a student, you are a writer, you are a scholar. For example, I am a writer. After that, what trait should ChatGPT have? For example, you can tell ChatGPT to do things like use a formal, professional, or casual or chatty tone, whichever you want. ChatGPT have multiple answers. Try to give only the best one. Okay, here I will select, for example, generation Z, and then for example professional. Okay, talk like a member of generation Z and use formal and professional tone. In that way ChatGPT will answer me to my questions. We can adjust or write anything from ChatGPT. Whatever we want we will add there. We can also add like answer like a writer or a scholar, for example. Then anything else ChatGPT should know about you. For example, I am a PhD student, or I am a writer, or I am a freelancer, I will mention here. So these have been done, and next option is the advanced options. All the options should be on. For example, web research, DALL-E, code, and advanced voice. All the options are on. Now this is all about and done. Just click OK. And now anything you will ask from ChatGPT, it will give you answers according to your instructions and according to your needs. For example, I am a writer. I will ask ChatGPT to write a blog, write a 1,000 words blog on AI technology. It will give me answer according to my instructions, like in a writer tone or a scholar tone, which I have already trained the chat gpt. This is how you can train your chat gpt and get the desired results. Here you can see the more specific answers to your question. This is the best way to use chat gpt rather using the simple version of chat gpt.